Sir, what's your name?
Who, me?
Yeah, talk into the microphone.
Oh, my name is Desmond.
Desmond. And where?
People think she's crazy.
And where are you from, Desmond?
Toronto, Canada. My daughter Georgia is with me. There.
Hello, daughter. And sir, what are you singing for us tonight?
Bob Marley, Three Little Birds.
There we go. Well, take it
I
away.
have to follow that angelic voice. This is going to be very tough. Okay. Come on.
You better have some awesome dance moves with this as well.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing, you're gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing, you're gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. Three little birds reached by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing, you're gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing, you're gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. Three little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, worry about a thing, no, every little thing, you're gonna be alright. Don't worry, singing, don't worry about a thing, I won't worry, 'cause every little thing, you're gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing, you're gonna be alright. I won't worry, baby, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing, yeah, you're gonna be alright.
And the crowd goes wild!
Thank you.
Take a bow, sir. Yes, very nice.